In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HUION Kamvas 13 Drawing Tablet. The HUION Kamvas 13 is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for artists and creators, featuring a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB for vibrant visuals. Slim and lightweight at just 11.8 mm thick and 980G, it is easily portable, making it ideal for outdoor drawing. The device supports multiple connection options, including Type-C to HDMI and Type-C to Type-C, allowing seamless integration with various devices, including Android smartphones. The fully laminated screen minimizes parallax and is equipped with an anti-glare protector for enhanced visibility. Users can switch between pen display and pen tablet modes, and the tablet includes 8 programmable press keys for efficient workflow. The package comes with essential accessories, including a digital pen, cables, a pen holder, and extra pen tips, making it a comprehensive solution for digital artistry. Number 2. VEIKK V1200V2 Tablet. The VEIKK V1200V2 is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and creative professionals, featuring a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 on an 11.5-inch diagonal display. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, ensuring precision and detail in every stroke. The device utilizes full laminated technology to minimize parallax and enhance the drawing experience on its anti-glare screen. With a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB and support for 16.7 million colors, the VEIKK 1200V2 delivers vibrant visuals suitable for various lighting conditions. It is equipped with a battery-free stylus, customizable shortcut keys, and multiple connectivity options, including USB-C and HDMI, making it compatible with various operating systems and popular digital art software. The package includes essential accessories such as extra nibs, a pen holder, and an artist's glove, providing added value for users. Overall, the VEIKK 1200V2 is designed to facilitate a seamless and intuitive creative workflow, whether for drawing, photo editing, or remote learning. Number 3. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is a professional pen tablet monitor designed for artists and graphic designers, featuring a 15.6-inch full laminated IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an impressive color accuracy of 88% NTSC, 120% sRGB. This sleek and portable device integrates a red dial interface for enhanced workflow efficiency, alongside 8 customizable shortcut keys and a sensitivity of 8,192 pressure levels for precision in drawing. With 60 degrees of tilt function support, it replicates the feel of traditional brushwork, while additional features such as a slim profile, built-in brightness controls, and included accessories like a portable stand and protective film enhance user experience. Compatible with major operating systems and graphics software, the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro promises a seamless transition into digital art creation, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and professionals alike. A 1-year warranty and multiple included accessories further add to its appeal, ensuring that creators have everything they need to get started. Number 4. HUION Arrival Kamvas 16. The HUION Pen Tablet Monitor is a high-performance digital tablet designed for artists and professionals, featuring a 15.6-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a pen resolution of 5,080 LPI, ensuring precise and responsive drawing experiences. The active drawing area measures 344.16 by 193.59 mm, and the monitor supports a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB, displaying 16.7 million colors with a contrast ratio of 1000:1. With a report rate exceeding 220 pps and a tilt recognition of up to 60 degrees, it accommodates various artistic techniques. The tablet includes 10 programmable press keys for customizable shortcuts and connects via USB with options for a 3-in-1 cable or Type-C interface. Weighing only 1.26 kilograms and featuring an anti-glare matte finish, it is compatible with Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and Android devices. Optional adjustable stands are available, enhancing ergonomics for extended use. Number 5. GAOMON PD1161 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is an 11.6-inch digital pen tablet monitor designed for artists and professionals seeking a versatile and portable drawing solution. It features a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural line work. The tablet is equipped with a battery-free digital pen, which enhances user comfort during extended creative sessions, and includes 8 customizable shortcut keys for improved workflow efficiency. With a lightweight design, 866G, and compact dimensions, 361.6 by 200 by 13 mm, the PD1161 is easily transportable, making it ideal for on-the-go use. It supports both Windows 7 or later, and macOS 10.12 or later, and is compatible with major graphics software such as Adobe Photoshop and Corel Painter. The device also includes mini HDMI and Type-C ports for seamless connectivity. Overall, the GAOMON PD1161 is a feature-rich tool that caters to artists, designers, and educators, enhancing their digital creation experience.